Guys, somebody bring this post of Edward to me, where she clarified and say she dey vex for people where they insult her husband, which is Destiny. Say people they claim say they love her, but they insult her husband, whether they no know say where therefore insult her husband, na there therefore also insult her. So na the post una dey see so where Edward writes. Okay, so my lady Edward, let me give you this a short message. You understand? I know say wetin you talk not be bad thing you talk, because definitely if person say he like you, he's supposed to like everything wey dey around you. I know say Esther not there around you, minus Esther. I'm talking about the Destiny right now. But you see, most of this crisis where Esther commit on social media, most of this atrocity where Esther commit on social media, do you know that your husband was 80% in support of it? Do you know, my lady, that your husband was in 100% in support of Esther? Because most of the videos where people they analyze now, whether they play, where Esther don't do back then, if you listen where you go hear your husband voice through the background, how it they demonstrate, even if they join Esther the lie or innocent old people. So you see, that is the main reason why your husband name still they enter this issue till now. If not, if for don't come out, so not to vex for that one. You understand? Say people they show you love, but they not they show your husband love, because your husband supported Esther 80% to insult Europe women, to drag innocent parents, to do a lot of things. That is why you know say that they make parable say a mega senior tosegbe. So that is why your husband they receive 10% for inside this whole matter. But meanwhile, I will see me my own personally. I don't know about others. I go see how I go fit they remove your husband, because Esther ohansuhu. Yes, nyonwe mayawe we bona we ni madede yemwe sagare ni mado. So I will see how I go fit they remove your husband small. But for Esther, a body go tell her. You understand?